By the way, si Don Trillano is one of only 4 players who averaged double figures sa semifinals. Kalahin nyo, for San Miguel, kalahin nyo, out of those 4 players, 2 of them never started. Don Trillano, tsaka si Jericho Cruz. Only 4 players averaged double figures. CJ Perez, leading scorer ng PPA sa eliminations. Pero sa semifinals, mukhang natutukan ka ng depensa ng Ginebra. How will you respond to the challenge ng TNT sa finals?
I think parehas din naman yung gagawin. So, it's just up to me kung paano ako mag-respond sa mga depensa na bibigay sa amin. And syempre, sa tulong ng mga teammates ko, for sure, mag-open ako din. And syempre, gagawin namin yung best namin kung ano yung bigay na depensa sa amin ng TNT pagkahanda namin.
Okay, salamat CJ. Mami Johnson, what an experience ngayon at nasa San Miguel ka. Malaking responsibilidad ang nasa balikat mo. You're a starter for this team. You're relied on for the outside shooting. Anong pakiramdam mo at ngayon nasa finals ka with San Miguel?
Very thankful for the opportunity. Maraming pasasalamat sa San Miguel to have this experience. It's always been a dream of mine, and in terms of pressure, I see Ross anyway, so he always has my back. So he's a great leader and an even better person. So I feel like there's no pressure.
Salamat, Mami. Mo Tau Tua. Let's remember, 2016-2017 Commissioner's Cup. Tinalo ng San Miguel ang TNT in that series 4-2. At that time, ang coach ng San Miguel was si Ostia. Ang coach naman ng TNT was Nash Rosella. Mo Tau Tua and Chris Rosales in that series were playing for TNT. How does it feel that you're now playing against your former team in the finals?
Feels good. I mean, I'm happy to be here. You know, like I always just work hard, and I mean, it's good to have these guys on my team this time around. You know, I'm always happy to see Jude's smiling face every morning, and you know, he's singing most of the time, and I like the guys on our team, and I'm just happy to be here.